Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up LEDs and LED themes on your DB1 Pro. So first you're going to open DB1 Sync. This is 0.09, but any version will do. You can see at this drop down all the different modes that are offered, and all you do is click set on a mode and your LEDs will be set. You can also change the colors using the custom colors option. Once you choose a color, you press the set button, and you can change the brightness by clicking the brightness buttons. Just a few more examples of changing the colors. You can see that they're set instantly on the DB1 Pro. You can also enable and disable the mute and deafen indicators with Discord integration. So you can see here I'm muting and the top deck changes. If we uncheck this option, we won't get any mute and deafen indicators when we're muted. So here, just another example. One hidden feature is that you can use this plus button to cycle deeper through the modes. And so for example, the breathing mode actually has 4 or 5 different speeds, and the plus button cycles through those. So you can see here I've set it to the fastest mode. Still change the color. That's all there is to it. So hope you enjoy this.